every great change begins with a vision, a belief that together we can nurture a planet that thrives in balance, care, and hope. Leadership inspires action, guiding young minds to care, protect, and build a sustainable tomorrow. Science helps us understand the rhythms of nature, empowering us to protect every form of life that shares our planet. Innovation and awareness blend here, where every reaction reminds us of our power to create a safer, sustainable Earth. Knowledge is the seed of transformation. When we learn about sustainability, we learn how to protect what we love. Innovation begins with imagination. Through STEM, we design solutions that make Earth a smarter, sustainable home. Measured with mindfulness, numbers and logic remind us that balance is the foundation of both math and nature. Art keeps the spirit of sustainability alive. Every movement, every rhythm celebrates harmony with the Earth. Voices rise for a cause that unites us all. When young hearts speak, the Earth listens. Just like in sports, sustainability is teamwork. Every pass, every effort counts toward protecting our planet. Sustainability is a shared effort. Every hand, every heart plays a role in caring for our home. Cleansed by care, restored by action, every drop of effort nourishes the roots of a greener tomorrow. At Sapphire, we learn, care, and act, united for a sustainable tomorrow.